Ha! Yeah. Ah! Yeah. Hold it right there.
Run, no.
Nibo, hold it right there, I say. You are under arrest for illegal cheating and illegal pooping. In fact, let me find some evidence that we use against you in the court of law. Hold it right there, I say. Okay. You evidence your ribu owanu. You see they get mouth to talk in the presence of an officer. Shey here be like police station. Abeg o, I no pass my boundary o. Oh, shebi here be like your fatherland abi? Or una community? Tell me now, officer. Abeg no involve my father in this matter o. For what? Come. See, I got gun o.
Run o.
Only be say they no dey give me bullets from the office. Seripeti mad. Come back here. Wetin happen again, oga? So we go pass this shit when you shit down. If you want to pack am. If you no want pack am, leave am. No dey disturb me o, abeg. You better say you don dey craze. I say make you carry this thing. Officer, leave this thing dey smell. You say your shit? Officer, respect. Leave this thing. What are you trying to do to a police officer? Leave this thing. Hey, we're going to do for you guys.
Sorry o.
I want to go to what I say. Rubbish.